we recognized that we need more help on the QA front. And then I heard about QA Wolf, and it seemed like, and it proved to be, a good solution for basically getting a lot of help on the QA side to help us not just do QA, increase coverage, but also to help us think about QA and like what should our approach be. A couple appealing things about QA Wolf. One was it very much sounded like their MO or their goal was to make it so that we could think about QA as little as possible. Like they very much were willing and eager to take on as much of the responsibility and the process as possible. However much guidance we were willing to give, they would run with it. A second thing was just like the technology that they were building. So they were building, like end-to-end automated tests, basically. So they were building the kinds of tests that honestly were hard for us to build on our end, which mimicked like what does a user see and do in our product, and like recording automated scripts of like, a user will do X and Y then Z in the product. And moreover, the tests that they built were running on what sounded like pretty impressive infrastructure so that the tests could run in parallel and we could have, a large number of these tests. The tests themselves were written in an open source framework, so there wasn't as much concern about lock-in or anything like that. Like there were just a number of things which made it seem like QA Wolf was like very aligned with our interests and was building some cool technology to try to approach QA from a slightly different angle, which sounded very promising. Honestly, it just allowed us to focus on other things, other priorities. It just removed the need to hire and build out a QA team because we had QA Wolf's help. We were able to, actually just focus on engineering hiring and, hit the goals we were setting for ourselves there.